So many times. We wake up, and what we see is what we are. As we stare into the darkness of our hearts, finalize everything in quotations. We combine ourselves like a nation. Figuratively speaking, we gon' tweet, man. We gon' hit them bitches, yeah, with the back of our hand. We gon' let these niggas know who we are. When I shoot them with the dart, oh damn. When I put myself on the front lines, when I put my bolts down to the ground, I'm gonna find what I need to see. Ain't no nigga gonna off me now. If they off me now, I feel so complete. The journey in myself, quite unique, stereotypical type of cells, just walking through the street, you and rap slanging boulders. See the cops never pulling over, running through this life, you gon' never catch me sober. Oprah Winfrey never win me's. I'm a G's, please be yours. Why you tryna fuck with me? I was cool, I was right, I was real inside. Now the world has flipped. Now I become the tycoon, trapped up in the room. I swear the bodies never consume. No, they never consume. So clever, yeah. Who's the better, yeah? I fear inside myself. I see nothing else but hell. They call me torment furnace. I guess I burned up no wish. Burned up no wish, yeah. So I'm chillin' in the goods, riding with my blood. Nigga knowing it's so good. We gon' I was doing what I was. You a suicidal soldier, motherfucker. Give it up. Give it up, really now. Before the cops lay you down. The search is far around. Yeah. Why I gotta fight? Why I gotta stand? I ain't got a pistol, only got my hand. I never point, only aim and shoot. I got a lot of problems. Salute myself, reckless with the tech. Showing up with this shit slice this. You better strap or lace up. The world is so ugly. Motherfuckers out here, all they wanna do is fuck me. Yeah, ripping out my spine shit. I hope you can't find it. See all of these problems, it leave you so spineless. How was this man standing here? How are you to breathe the air of a king? Yeah, of a king. Yeah, I'm a king. Yeah, used to be a prince. Now I come home. Yeah, I can see into your soul. Your body a slave, your slave is the ship. As it rolls, as it flips, as it cruises, yeah, it blips and it hits, then it sinks, and I see no winks. I just hear a lot of screams, then no blinks. I was recommended, tossed into the furnace, burnt up for eternity, turned back around, ate a bowl of ice cream, crawled the fuck up out of hell, rolled around in this goddamn cell, got fat in a motherfucker, oh well, and then not only did I get out, and then draw fucking L, when I drew on his existence. He came into my flesh, and then next thing you know, it was like the snake serpent. He arrived also, and now I'm just sitting here like sevenfold. Who gon' fucking say what? Who? Niggas ain't never told. Whoa.